Hello guys, and welcome back to your favorite channel of your favorite chubby buddy. Today is the big day for the actual true real startup. So I got my fuel line for fuel and mixture with the oil, and then I have a insecticide pump which is just draining the water right down to the motor. Looks like she's flowing inside there. You can see it bubbling. So she's going in, she's going somewhere. I took the hose from this side. I don't hear it dripping anywhere, so it's going through the motor. And so hang tight. I'm going to add some fuel, and we're going to see some jet streams out the back. It may not do it. If it does, it's probably going to be weak, because this don't have a an actual water pump. It goes in here as it's spinning. It thrusts the water up inside. So we shall soon see. We should. Thought that spider web was a water spray, but it's not. So when this starts up, I should start to see water coming in through here. So we're going to add some fuel. So hang tight, and let's see what we can get out of her today. Let's see, try to get you guys in on the action here. And that looks to be, well, as close as it's going to be. It's going to be what it's going to be. So, we add some fuel in here. Don't want to put too much. Remember, just want to make her go vroom. Gotta turn the idle up some. Yeah, I say that's about right too. She's doing good. So let's do it differently here. There. Boy, that's really on there. This fuel filter is clogged, causing me some problems there. There's water. But good news is, I am seeing water come out the back. So it must be doing something. But I'm not going to get crazy with it either. So now let's see what happens. Got dang on screwing the hose. There we go. Now we'll fill her up. Try to at least. Yeah, there we go. Now, put Put this hose somewhere where it don't go nowhere. There we go. So let's just go again. Let's see if she just fires right up. So I turned it off. So you can see it smoking out there. And we still got water coming through. And we got water coming out the back. So I would say comfortably she's doing what she's supposed to be doing. Yeah, so awesome. Now all we have to do, put on some handle grips and fix the tether switch, and then she is complete. And it's just a matter of mix fuel and oil, throw it right down inside the gas tank. So yeah, she is cool. I think she's done. She sounds good. She's running great. I don't hear any problems. Everything appears to be doing what it's supposed to be doing. So applauso. Done did it again. Got another satisfied, happy customer. So hang tight. I'm going to start taking all this off, the battery, everything, and add the air filter. Yeah, it's just those 3 things left, and we're done. So cool. I got her up and running. She's installed. So hang tight. I'll be right back. So, as you can tell, she's a nice looking piece of machine brought back to life. She now up and runs and is ready to go home to her new owner. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of getting a jet ski together. So she'll just need a little bit of cleaning. We're going to put it in the water. We'll make another video so you can see it running. But, so we want to make sure that she ain't leaking nowhere. And, it's probably what we should have done first, is stuck it in the water and make sure that it wasn't taking in too much water. And so we're going to also install an automatic bilge pump. So you can walk away peacefully, come back and your jet ski is still floating. So this is where I think I'm going to leave it. There's not much more I could do until we do the actual test run and take it down to the boardwalk and set her down in the water and see what she's really going to truly do. And I'm pretty certain I got the hoses right, but there was way too much contradiction on the schematics for the hoses and the wiring. There's so many different versions of this jet ski that it could throw anyone's diagnosing off. I could pretty much see that unless you knew what you were doing. So yeah, I think this is where I'm going to leave it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and got any questions, drop down in the comment section. I know it wasn't much of a video, but I like showing the final product. So she's a nice looking piece of machine. She's ready to roll. Stay tuned and hit subscribe if you want to see the test ride. And I'll see if he'll strap up his GoPro and take it out for a cruise, so you get a jet ski cruise video over all my work and see how well it is. So thank you all for stopping in and watching, and hit like and subscribe. Got any questions, leave it in the comment section. And remember, get out, do something every day, you'll be glad you did. You'll thank me later. Y'all come on back and watch me again. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. See y'all next time.